already see my screen, right? Problems. Greatest comments vector and least comments for multiple. Okay, so I will give the first problem and we will do together. Number three. Problem number one. A farmer have 24 and 36 goats. He wants to divide the sheep and goats into equal chunks so that each pence have the same have the same number of sheep and goats. What is the greatest number pence he can create?
Oh Lord, this is a long problem.
It's a word problem. The word problem. Okay.
There what?
It's a word problem. It's a word problem.
It's the longest problem ever made.
Actually, not really long. It's not really long. Okay. So problem number one is a farmer have 24 sheep and 36 goats. Goats. Not goats. So
Yeah.
he want to divide the sheep and the goat into equal pens. You know the word pens? The pen is like,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
the group, like we
hmm
do the
Like
fence.
those little fences.
Yeah, all the fences. So we make pen like, and then so that each pen have the same number of the sheep and the goat. What is the greatest
Okay.
number of pens he can create? How can we solve these problems? So first of all, okay, he want to create the pens. Let's say here it's look like this, and there is 24 of sheep and 36 goat, and he want to create the pens and divide them into the equal pens. So want to create it here, 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 and here. So he want to know what is the greatest number of pens he can create.
Okay.
Okay, so in order to find this, how do we figure out these problems? We need to find for example, you have, okay, so the farmer come to you and ask you that how many pen he should be created when
Yeah.
you have 24 sheep, 36 goats, and they want to divide the sheep and goat into the equal pens. So it
Yeah.
can be any number of sheep here, any number of sheep here again,
12.
squeeze here, squeeze here, and then squeeze
12.
12. How can you find the 12? How do you find the 12?
Well, if I just
Guess,
didn't,
guess.
well, in a logical situation, if I just didn't guess by looking at it straightly, I would probably have to find the factors,
Yes,
right?
factor, yeah. Almost correct, but we already studied about the factor. What make you come to these decisions?
I look at it and I'm like, oh,
Yeah, but 12 is the
and they're
correct
both
answer,
divisible
by
by
the
12.
way. 12 is a correct answer, by the way. So you look at the
And then I was like, oh, they're both divisible by 12. 12 is the largest number out of all of
out of,
the
yeah, out of the 24 and the 36, right?
yeah,
12 is the greatest number out of factor of 24 and 36. So what is that in what we have learned? The greatest number of these and this is
12.
12. Yeah, it is 12, but the definition or the word that we just studied is
The greatest common factor.
yes. Okay. So in order to find the greatest number of pen that he can create, we need to find the
GCF.
GCF. Yes. So to find the greatest number of pens, we need to find GCF of 24 and 36. Right? Greatest
Yeah,
factor of 24 and 36. So,
36.
so now we find the 24 and 36. 24, okay, 24 equal to what factor and what factor?
12 times 2.
12 times 2. So we use
No.
the regular one, the regular method. First of all, it
Yeah.
will be 1 and 1,
1, 2. Oh, no. 1,
1 and
12,
24, yes. 2 and
2, and 12.
12. And then
I don't. 3 and 8.
yes, 3 and 8,
Uh,
4,
4 and 5. Wait,
4,
no. 4 and 4 and 6. My
4 and
bad.
6, yes, 4 and 6.
I think that's it, right?
Yeah, that's all, that's all. Next is 36. Okay, 36 equal to
Equal to 3. 1 times 36.
1 and 36 first. Yeah, 1 and 36. Is it divisible by 2?
Um, yeah.
Yes, when divided by 2, we get
Hold on.
divided by 2.
18
18. Okay. Divide by 3,
is 12.
12. Divide by 4,
Oh, 9.
9. Yes. Is it divisible by 5?
No.
How about 6?
No.
6 times 6?
No, actually, yes. 36.
Okay, so 6,
36.
36. Okay, so 6, that. And now the common factor we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6,
9.
9.
And then,
Do we have 9? No, right? 9 and
oh, my
this is
bad. I was counting the factors for 36. I was looking at my paper.
okay, so 12. So the greatest common factor or the GCF of
Is
24
12.
and 36 is 12,
12.
meaning that he need to create the maximum number of pens is 12
12.
pens. Okay, 12 pens. Wow, that's very fast for you. Okay, let's do number two. The trains arrive.
To be honest, I just looked at it. It was easy.
Oh, so meaning that you understand all of the.
Yeah, but I'm doing amazing in here, but I can't understand why I'm doing bad in math. Like absolutely spectacular. Could win contests.
So, what should be the problems? Because of panics like, or maybe like a,
I don't know, cause I remember
or
I was
maybe
taking
peer
like an
pressure, like
I don't know, cause
with your friends,
I,
you like give up.
I don't know, cause I was taking a practice test, right? I was like, oh, this is gonna be easy. I've aced like multiple practice tests before. I remember I got a 5 on my last one, and then I looked at it. It was a 1, and I wasn't panicked at all.
Oh, not.
So I don't understand.
Or maybe sometimes you judge too fast and you think like, oh, it's too easy. I guess that is the and then you.
Maybe, cause I don't double check a lot.
Oh, that is the problem. Now you can figure out the roots of the problem, so you need to double checks over again and again because sometimes you may
But I don't
do it.
want to, because honestly, it's better when it's like on paper. Like I can check it like better. Because I remember last year, all our tests was always in paper, so I always check them. But now online, it's like you know,
Okay, so anyway, the more we practice, the more you will familiar with the problems and also familiar with the calculation. So
yeah.
you will never do wrong again or make any mistake. So next problem is okay. I will finish typing it and we will read together the same times again. Okay. Wait.
Hmm.
Okay. Problem number two here. So there is a train. No, not there is a train. A train arrive at the station every 15 minutes. So it's go like 15 minutes. And then next train will comes at another 15 minutes. Next train will come another 15 minutes. And a bus arrive at the same stations every 20 minutes.
Okay.
If, if a train and a bus arrive at the same station at the same station and at the same time, how often will they arrive at the station at the same times again? It's interesting.
I don't get the wording.
You can get okay. For example, here is the station one, and the train is here. Let's say it is a sky train. Okay, this is a train, and the bus. Say the bus here. Okay. So they arrive here at the same time. They leave at the same station, and then one train leave, and then next train will come at next 15 minutes, and then okay, this go and next 20 minutes another bus will come to
Yeah.
these stations. For example, okay, now they leave The train and the bus is leaving from one station when they start. They leave from one station, but this train, do you see right? This train is leaving, and then after 15 minutes, there's another train comes, and then another 15 minutes, another train come, another 15 minutes, another train come. But for the bus, it goes and then it's due to some traffics and stuff, then another 20 minutes they come to that station, and then they
What?
leave.
Oh
Another
yeah.
20 minutes, yeah, another 20 minutes, until 20 minutes they will come again, and then another 20 minutes they will come again, another 20 minutes they will come again. So have you ever like standing by and waiting for the bus or train?
Uh,
No.
no, but I'm going to assume yes.
But you can imagine the situation. For example, you standing here at one station, there already a bus and the trains just leave, and we know the schedule of the train and the bus.
Oh,
The
actually,
train,
I have, yeah.
yeah, the train will leave, and then the new train will come at another 15 minutes. Another train will come at another 15 minutes. But for the bus, when they leave, another bus will come at another 20 minutes. So the question is, you thought like, when will they meet again? When will the train and the bus come at the same station and at the same time again? 15 minutes? What? Did you get the concept?
So, what
But
time will they?
will
How
they,
often?
yeah, how often will they arrive at the same station at the same times again? For example, these trains leave, and then another 15 minutes, the train
So,
arrive.
are you
Yeah.
asking me if there's gonna be like how often will like the
They,
bus like
the bus and
take
the train
the
meet at the same station and the same times.
at the same time?
Yeah, at
Like,
the same station and at the same time.
oh, so we're looking for like the common factors.
Yeah, but what is common? Is it like the greatest common factor or the least
No, it's just like it's like the common
common
pairs or
pair, which is common? What?
factors.
No. Okay, like, so for example here when they leave and then 15 minutes more it's come again, so another 15 minutes, let's say like this. So they leave at 00, right, for the train,
Yeah.
and then the next train will arrive at the same station will be at 00 and 15 minutes, right, 0 hour 15 minutes. The third train will come at 00:30, right? 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And the fourth, like the fourth train will arrive at 00:45, and so
Yeah.
on, right? And so on. And then the next train comes. For the bus, the first bus will leave at 00. The second bus will arrive at 0:20, correct? Because the bus will come at every 20 minutes.
Okay.
So the third bus will arrive at 0:40.
So for 40,
Yeah.
and the third bus will arrive at
The fourth
zero
bus will
uh,
be zero
six,
sixty, but 0:60 is
060 is the
first hour, right? 1 hour.
fifth hour.
60 minutes mean this is 0 hour 60 minutes.
Oh, an hour. Yeah.
Yeah, which mean an hour. 01, let's say 01:00. Okay, so what will they comes to meet at the same station again? So here is Okay, but now we haven't find the commons
at
yet.
the second bus, which is 20 minutes, right?
20 minutes, but here the second train is 15 minutes. The third train is 30 minutes. No,
Oh,
second train is 15
okay.
minutes. The third train is 30 minutes. The fourth train is 45 minutes. How about the fifth train?
Hold up.
Every 15 minutes they comes. Every 15 minutes they come. So first train leave at 00. Second train leave at 15 minutes. So 00:15.
Yeah.
Right. Third train will come at 00:30 because another 15 minutes. Right.
Okay.
And then another 15 minutes. So 00:45 because of,
So
and the fifth train should be in the next 20 in the next 15 minutes.
the next train.
Yeah, the next train,
Uh,
the fifth train after the 00:45.
hold up.
After 00:45.
Is it 50? Wait,
Another
no.
15 minutes. So
Yeah.
now at now at 00:45, and then another 15 minute will be,
Is it 45? No, 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 no. So.
yeah, after the 45 after
Yeah. Is it an hour?
an hour. So it will be 60 minutes or an hour, like
Yeah.
01 or 00. So when will they meet again? How frequently they meet again? Here,
Like, I,
1 hour, 1 hour.
yeah.
Okay, now do you get
Okay.
these concepts? So after 15 minutes, the train comes. After 15 minutes, the train comes. 15 minutes, train comes over again and again. But the bus is 20 minutes, they comes again. 20 minutes, they come again, and so on. So then if we do it manually, it will look like this. So 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. This is 0, 20, 40, 60, which is 1 hour.
So
So yeah.
does that mean they will meet every hour?
So every 1 hour they come to the same station at the same time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But what is this kind of concept? We don't want to write this kind of thing and explain everything in our worksheet, right? Because we are the mathematician. We are the mathematician, so we need to solve in our mathematical ways. What is these kind of things that we study?
I actually I actually don't know.
It's the
Wait. Is it common pair thingamajig?
commons multiple.
Oh.
It's common multiple. We just study like it's go ups, 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 up, and worry lot of things. Like we did like a 500 something. Do you remember 500 something? So we just multiply, 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 multiply it to find the common one. Now we have come to the commons that is 1 hour.
No. So every 1 hour they will meet.
They will meet and it go up and still one more hour they will meet again. 1 more hour they will meet again.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we already understand the process, but we also need to write it in a proper way as well.
Yes.
Like a majority of students understand the process, understand the ways to do, but they don't know how to interpret into the paper sheet. So that is,
Interpret into the paper sheet.
yeah, interpret into the paper sheet. But that the paper sheet is the judgment from the teacher or professor.
For me, interpreting into the paper the paper sheet, the notes is. really easy for me.
Oh, okay, so what should we write at the beginning now? How do we write? How now these problems? What should we write, please? The train will arrive at every 15 minutes, and the bus arrive at every 20 minutes, meaning that
Do
we need,
you want me to like make an explanation, like a statement for it?
yeah. So we need to find.
The train and the bus will arrive at the same time
Okay,
every hour.
the train and the bus will arrive at the
Same
same
time every
time
hour.
by if 1 hour, meaning that we already know the answer. But this is we need to tell them step by step how can we figure out the answer
By every hour. We
by
can figure this out.
finding the LCM.
The L
Right? We
the
need to
bus.
describe step by step by finding the LCM of
Yeah.
the
By, by
durations
finding
of
the LCM.
train and the bus.
The bus.
Okay. Then find LCM of 15 and
And 20.
okay. Then we find the LCM. Okay, to find the LCM, 15 equal to, how do we find the LCM in a regular way, like a regular way?
115.
Yeah, 1 times 15, which is 15.
35.
No, then if 3 5, it's the way we find the GCF. But the LCM,
Wait.
how do we find the LCM? Not the
The
GCF.
L. Wait, let me.
Yeah, it's two different way. LCM and GCF is two opposite way.
Oh, we have to do one of those like little like wait
15,
like
after 15
I
is
don't know how to like call it, but it's like one of those things that like this thingamajig.
15, after 15 is 15 times 1 is 15.
The common factorization thingamajig. The one that's like 42 is 7 and 6, and 6 turned into 3 and 2.
Oh,
The only
that,
one I'm talking about?
yeah, that is the GCF, right? GCF we
Really?
find, yeah, the GCF we find 1 and 24, for example, here 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, something like this. But the LCM we find it by the LCMs here.
The smallest
Find
multiple.
the LCM. Okay, I will share you.
By
This,
like compare, is it like by like comparing or something?
this,
Like finding the factors of like but finding the multiples of the numbers, and
yeah,
then you
finding the
compare
multiple
to
of,
find the
okay, finding the multiple. So the first multiplication is 15 is 15. The second one is,
wasn't it technically one? So 1 times 50? No,
no, we
stop.
find the multiple. We find the multiple. So the first multiple is 15, yeah, which is correct. The
15,
second one is,
3. Wait, stop. 15. Oh my god, I keep getting it confused. All right, 15 times 2,
yeah, 15 times
30, 30,
30,
30.
yes, 30. Okay, maybe last time I write like
45.
downward, something like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it 45
Yes,
next?
45, and then next is
And then it's 60.
60, and maybe we can go one more,
And then it's 75, right?
75, correct, and so on.
And then out.
How about 20?
20, 40,
First of all,
60.
20, don't forget
Yeah.
the first number, 20, and then 40, and then
60,
60, and then,
80.
okay. But do we find the commons yet? Have we reached to the commons multiple yet?
60.
60, which is 16 here. So we have find the common multiple already. So
Yeah.
the LCM of 15 and 20 equal to
It equals to 60 or 1 hour.
60 minutes. Yes, correct. 60 minutes. Or is it equivalent to 1 hours? Okay. So meaning that
Uh,
yeah.
1 second. My mom's calling. Sorry, yeah?
Okay, so now we already find the LCM which is equal to 60 minutes or equivalent to 1 hour. So meaning that the trains and the bus will arrive and the bus
Bus.
will arrive
Uh,
at the same stations and the same time every same station at the same time at every 60 minutes yes with s all equal 1 hours.
wow.
Yes, this is the answer. Okay, so yeah, that's fast. Get the concept. So let's do one or two more, then we can see. Okay, number three. Problem number three. A group of L students, students and a groups of 15 students are going on a field trips. Okay, so there's two group of students. One group is 12 students. The other group is 15 students going on a field trips. The teacher should be like teachers want to divide the students.
It's 3. I know the answer.
Wait, divide the
Wait, stop.
students
Wait, stop. Now I'm nervous. If it's not 3, I'm gonna be embarrassed.
from each group. Okay, one by one. Want to divide the student into each groups so that each group have the same number of students. Okay, so that each groups have the same number of students. What is
Tell your students who are struggling with the um, little like explaining, like turning it into like the little paper thing. Use the race method.
the what? The
The race method.
race. What is race?
It's like this method they just recently taught us. It's like restate, answer, cite your evidence. Hold up.
Statements and
Race. Restate the question, answer the question, cite text evidence, explain what it means.
wow, nice.
Just use it. Race method.
Race method. Okay. Groups. The
Like for example, what is the greatest number of students? The greatest number of
number
students
group
is
of the teachers can create a group of the wait. What is one minute? What is the greatest number of the group the teacher can create?
of
Hmm. teachers can create word. Okay. Now, okay, now you actually you get the answer correct already, but now even before the questions, but you meaning that you can guess the questions, can guess the question. So another problem is, or another thing you need to do is you need to interpret into the paper sheet.
Alright.
Okay, so you interpret into the paper sheet and like take a photo to me, and then we will do together. Like,
Oh, okay.
how do you figure out the three? You understand?
LCM? No, 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 no.
But
GCF?
yeah, but the answer three is correct. But you need to
Okay.
like write it down, like how is.
The more.
Yeah,
Okay. You want me to send a picture to you?
yeah, and then send the pictures to me, and I will. Okay, give me 1 minute.
Oh, the group?
You finish?
I'm writing the explanation.
Yes.
Oh, I just messed up the explanation.
You can use the method you just like razor. Wait, it is
The greatest
the
number of groups.
answer. State answer.
Yeah, that one. That's the one I'm talking about.
Yeah, nice. A group of 12 students.
Oh, I actually put GCF method. I meant LCM. I don't have a whiteboard. I was writing in pen. Hold up.
Okay, take it easy, take it easy. Fridays. Group of 12 students. I'm going to draw some pictures. Okay, this is That's it. This is group A, 12 students.
No. Wait, I forgot what LCM stands for.
What is LCM stand for?
Least means like small, like the
Yes,
less. That is the
least
less that
is
we
the less, meaning that it's go multiple, 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 but we choose the smallest one. But for the GCF, there's a lot of factor, but we choose the greatest one.
alright.
Like, but remember, GCF always lesser than or equal to the LCM. So GCF, even it's find the greatest, but it usually smaller than the LCM.
Yeah.
Okay, you did
If you
good.
can read that explanation, in that explanation I try to use the race method as an example. I
Okay,
restated the question, like I answered it, I
okay,
cite and the evidence and I explained it.
okay.
Race.
Okay, so the group was what would have it start?
Can you read it?
Yes, the group was 12 student and the group was student field trip and it so each group have the same number of the student. What is it? The greatest number of student is three because uh 12 go to this the GCF of both of and the 12 student is three. Okay, and then your last conclusion: the greatest number of group of these teachers can create with the same amount of student is three. We can figure this out by using the
LCM.
LCM. Wait, LCM.
Wait,
What you
stop.
found, what you just figure out is the
I asked no. A GCF.
yeah the GCF. What you just found is the GCF.
No. I even wrote it up
Yeah,
there.
you just wrote the oh you find the number three result is correct by using the GCF methods, but you
Was
don't tell. But when you conclude, you find the
no.
answer. Okay,
What is
that like a maybe I think that maybe the usually or frequently made mistake of yours. That's why you somehow you don't panic, you don't feel for this, but maybe it's because of
we'll do
the
better next time.
mistake. Okay, so the greatest okay is
I'm rewriting my explanation.
the greatest number of
I'm in
group
class.
the teachers can create okay I will write can create create its DCF of 12 and 15 wait 15 and then we find the DCF of 12 and 15 which is okay you did it correct so I will copy from you 12 which is 1 and 12 first of all 1 and 12. Second is 2 and 6. Third is 3 and 4. That's all. And 15th is 1 and 15. 2 no, 3 and 5. That's all. Okay, 3 and 5. That's all. And then the greatest comment that the greatest comment great
Rewrite. the
Draw.
factors of 12 and 5 and compare them to find a common multiple that is the greatest out of all the factors. Right. It just needs some adjusting.
Yeah, of 12 and 15 equal to 3. So therefore, the greatest number of groups the teacher can create is
Factors.
C. I will give one more example. Not example, exercise. One more exercise. Maybe for your homework, and then you think and you will.
This is homework.
Yeah, this is homework. No, no, these other one, the new ones. The
Okay.
baker have 24 cupcake. This is interesting. And 36 muffins. He wants to package or to pack. He wants to pack the cupcake and muffins into boxes, into boxes, into boxes, so that each box, have the same number of cupcake or muffins. Same number of cupcake or muffins, and there are no cupcake. There's no cupcake or muffin left over. Okay,
And
or muffins.
into boxes. So
But I will resize it, like make it to a proper size. You can read here.
it's 12.
You
This is the same. No, this is the same problem. Just restated. It's the same numbers.
know, but with packaging, I think you need to read again, but not 12.
No,
But it's
I'm not done writing. So
okay, okay. Maybe I will keep it for your homework and things and give me the work after the
of
request. What is the number of boxes it needs?
mm,
And maybe you just first impression you look like it's similar,
hey wait.
but it is not. I can tell this is not. So okay, I will keep this for. So a baker, let's say,
He wants to package the cook. Each box is
this
the
is
number of
cake,
cookies.
this is
So we
cookies.
don't need to figure out the same number of muffins, cupcakes, right?
Yeah. So for example, you have some number of box, and then you need to put the cupcake and the muffin at the same package, and at the same number. Sorry. Add one package. For example, one package consists of three pieces of cake, which is three pieces of cupcake, or three pieces of muffins, for example. And then how many box that you need? What the question is not the cupcake inside the
Yeah.
box, The question is the what is the number of the box that you need, that he needs, the baker needs.
So I'm gonna assume that there's 6 cupcakes and 6 muffins in each box, right? So do we just no? I don't care. I don't wait.
The okay, the
I'm going by
question.
directions.
Yeah. He wants to package the cupcake and the muffin into box so that each box have the same number. This they state have the same number of cupcake or muffins.
Oh no, I got you. Okay, okay.
And remember, there's no cupcake or muffin left. So okay, I'll save this. Wait, I will